Hey guys, we're out here today and we kind of just wanted to go over a couple explanations of why a lot of us contractors are behind right now. It's a typical thing, and we were just going to go over a couple pointers to help all contractors and clientele kind of understand how this is going and why it is where it is. One of the main things right now is our labor force, because of course we're not just going to go hire day laborers from the day camps, making sure your plumbers, electricians, our sheetrockers, our painters, carpenters, framers, stuff like that are the right guys for the right job. So of course, typically we schedule them. Right now with how busy everybody is in this current market with minimal labor, we're making sure that we're working with them hand in hand. So that is one of the biggest delays we're having right now. So trying to make sure we're getting the right people on the right job and not just picking up a bunch of unskilled labor to do everything that we need to do. If you guys have something going on where you can't get your bills paid on time, or if you can't get us over to your house, or you need our crews to kind of back off because you got some family events going on, somebody's sick, because of course everything's going on right now, you guys just communicate with us so that we can keep all contractors in the loop, because of course, one day over schedule throws everybody else after that. So just always keep that into consideration also with how short staffed we are. And this is not just Warrior Wolf here, this is a lot of contractors out there. If anybody can jump on your project like tomorrow, most likely that's probably not the person that's going to be best to do that job. Now there's of course a couple handyman guys out there that are just running and gunning, but a lot of the bigger contractors or other contractors out there like ourselves, we're doing project as projects can go on, but at the same time just making sure you guys understand there is delays that happen, and so we try to communicate those with you as well as possible. But I mean, right now I'm out here in the field today hanging some doors, getting some framing and some carpentry done, just because my other crews, they were a little far behind, so I actually came out here today to start getting these doors hung just to kind of keep the project in motion. So other than that, more or less, if you got questions, comments, concerns, feel free to let us know or reach out to us, and we can kind of help give you some tips or tricks to kind of go back and forth with your contractor. Or if you're interested in getting an estimate or looking at possibly doing a project in the future, we can kind of help assess with how the project works from start to finish with most contractors in general, and of course go over everything from start to finish. So this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a good one.